She's 64 years old and she is living with her 2 sons, and they are not going to stay at home with her. She is cervical CA patient. So in hospice, we give her medical supports, pain management, social supports like financial supports and food supports. Also, we visit her every 15 days, and if she don't have a physical pain, we put her on monthly schedule. After she got Hospice Ethiopia, she able to sleep. We found her outside the door, so she able to move at least a little bit, and her social and loneliness problems decreased. So we took her phone from Black Line list and we called her. So she don't know about Hospice Ethiopia previously. So we have a program. We will go to Black Line Hospital and we will select a patient who needs palliative care. So I got a physical care, supports like blankets, clothes and so on, and they able to manage my pain. I able to sleep, she said, and also I able to eat because I have monthly income and even food supports. So if I didn't get Hospice Ethiopia, I will be died.
ድመቴን እያነሱ